employment is when an employer engages the services of an employee to render some services, which could be within a period of time, depending on the terms of the agreement. Sometimes this contract of employment has different terms embedded in agreements of contract of employment. Sometimes the contract of employment is written, sometimes it could be orally as well. A worker is someone that an employer has engaged to provide services, and this is captured in section 91 of the Labor Acts under the Nigerian law. Parties to contract of employment can agree in the absence of written agreement by their conduct, and also by what we call the meeting of the minds, where parties have accepted orally the offer and acceptance to provide or to render services. Parties are bound by the terms of the contract of employment because that is the document that defines the rights, the duties and obligations of both parties. And in the case where it is not documented, the court has also decided in plethora of cases that the court can construe contracts and the breach of contract from the conduct and the circumstances surrounding activities of the parties. An unwritten contract is enforceable under the Nigerian law. However, one of the challenges of trying to enforce unwritten contract is that the party alleging the breach have to establish through evidence that indeed there is a contract and a breach has occurred. And the court can as well look at the surrounding circumstances to construe whether there is a contract. However, it is advised that you have your contract of employment or any other contract for that matter properly documented by experts so that in case of disputes, the document will speak for itself. That will be the National Industrial Court, the court that has jurisdiction over contracts of employment and employment and labor law related issues in Nigeria. And whenever there is alleged breach in the contract of employment, it is advised such person should approach lawyers to help them seek redress in the National Industrial Court.